How would you like it if you could clone yourself into someone else, in this case, a bot that will do the work for you, that's going to answer your customers, that's going to answer your WhatsApp, that's going to answer your Telegram, that's going to answer lots of things, your website visitors. And it's also going to do that with your voice. So literally the voice that I'm using right now can be used to answer people's questions inside a chatbot, for example. Well, today I'll be reviewing AIDuals, which allows you to do so. And this is a chatbot application that can be implemented in your website, on your website. Like I said, it can be done on Telegram, it can be done on WhatsApp and other platforms as well. So maybe you're wondering, okay, there have been lots of chat applications, AI chatbot applications pass by. What is so different about this one? Well, I'm going to show you in this review so that you can see if this is something that you like, that you can use this for your business, or maybe you can deliver this as a service to other businesses. So the best thing to do is to just show you how you can train a bot, how you can let it speak like you speak. Also, it takes over your character as well. And I think it's pretty cool. So I'm going to dive into this. I'm going to show you all the details. Before I do so, make sure to check out the link in the description. You're going to find coupons. You're going to find the pricing on my page. You're going to find the bonuses that you're going to get if you pick this up through my link. So make sure to check that out. All right, let's get started. So right now I'm logged into the dashboard, and to get started, you click on clones. And from here, you can start creating your clone. It works super simple. You click on create clone here, and here you give it a name. So I'm going to call this Tim's second bot or second clone. And then the headline, hey there, this is Tim, and a description. This is Tim's clone. And I'm going to click continue. So on the next step, you can select a topic. So in this case, let's say I'm going to do here, let's say marketing here. And you can also add your own. So let's click on, oh, shoot, I already clicked the next one, but you can also create your own if you like to. So here it's going to ask, what's the goal of your clone? So for example, its purpose is to respond to inquiries and stand for you in interviews or interactions. Or maybe its objective is to conduct interviews for recruitment or customer outreach purposes. So you can program the bot what it needs to do in here. So for example, I can type here, its purpose is to recommend the best software products for the customer's specific needs. I can add this as a custom one. So when I click on this plus one, it's now being added here. And I can program my bot like this. I'm going to click continue, and then I can select the creativity of the bot here, the response length. You can all change that in here. I'm going to keep it the way it is. And then you can upload your own avatar if you like to. In this case, I'm going to skip this one. And now my clone has been created successfully. Now, from now on, I can teach my clone to be like me, to act like me. And you do that by opening the clone. So I'm going to open a clone that I already created here. So this is Tim's clone. And when you go to the train part here, you can train your bot. So when you click on add content here, you can say, I'm going to upload a YouTube video, or I'm going to upload a website, a URL. So when I click on website here, it's going to ask me for a website URL. So if you write blog posts, you can put it in here. If you have a website with all information, you can put that in here. So if you have videos on a specific topic, like I have a lot of videos, so I'm putting my videos in here as well. I can put my YouTube video in here. And it's going to learn how I am talking, how I am handling things, and it's going to take over my character to respond to people. I'm going to show you that in a second. You can have your Twitter profile here, your Instagram, your LinkedIn. You can all connect that in here. You can also upload files to the software, like uploading files here, drag and drop, docs, CSV, PDFs. You can upload media files like MP3, MP4, so that it's going to take the information from it and then it's going to put that in there. You can also paste questions and answers. So if you have questions and answers that you get a lot of the time, you can put it in here so that it always gives this specific answers. Can be very useful. Also auto. So this comes with auto questions and you can reply to those questions in here. And this way you will be able to train your bot with data. So for example, here you can see my website here. And when I click on this pencil, you can see that it grabbed all the information from my website here and it's going to teach the bot from my website. The same thing for YouTube. So I did here, for example, like this was for Franken AI. This was my whole review of Franken AI, and I uploaded it to AI Duels so that it can give answers about Franken AI. It's pretty cool. So this way you will train your bot. Now, once you have done that, you can see that it's completed in here. And then you can go to purpose. Now, purpose is generated automatically based on your voice. So it took that information, and then it also said the purpose above is analyzed to identify requirements automatically. So here you can see the purpose of Tim's clone is to serve as a versatile and intelligent advisor and representative, seamlessly mirroring Tim's engagement style and expertise, designed to handle inquiries, interviews, and interactions which typically require Tim's presence. Blah, blah, blah. It's going to program this bot. Then in the voice section, now this is cool. Here you can upload your own voice. So when you listen to this here, so let's play. Hey, this is Tim, and this is my voice. So this is my voice. I uploaded that. And what AI Duels will do is it will create a clone of my voice. And then when people access the chat on my website, my voice will speak to them. The clone of my voice will speak. Now, unfortunately, I cannot show you this right now. I had contact with Abby, and he said there were some legal things that first need to be signed. I have early access, so I cannot show it right now. But once this software is out, you can create a clone of your voice, and then the chat will speak as well. So when people chat with your chat, it will speak as well. So in this case, I'm going to show you text-to-speech here, where you could choose from all these languages. So these languages are all available right now. So you can pause the video, I'll go over them. These are the supported languages. In this case, I'm going to do English, and we're going to choose here just Matthew, and you can generate the voice. And this voice will now be used to be played when your chat is answering. So listen.
Welcome. Whether you're here for a quick chat or diving deep into a conversation.
So this is now your chatbot's voice, but it can also be your voice. And I'm going to show you the chatbot in a second. So in the tone here, this is the tone that has been extracted from all of your content. So as you can see, my voice is promotional, informative, persuasive, and enthusiastic and instructional. So this is what it gets from my voice. So this way, the bot is being trained to act like me, to answer like me. You can give the voice also here, by the way, extract tone of voice from content here. So you can do that again. Cannot read properties. Not sure why that is right now, but you can also add a tone. So you can say, I am, and you can type what it is in here and it will respond like that. You can give custom instructions as well. So for example, you can click on few examples here. So steer clear of discussing politics, or ask a question about the person at the conclusion of each response. So you can program the bot how to respond. So you can give instructions in here. When you click on this plus button, you can give these instructions in here. Also suggested questions. You can come up with a question here that is being suggested. You can also create categories in here or topics, topic related. So for example, if you have a pricing, you could say, okay, this is a pricing topic, and I can add a question in here regarding, and I can select pricing that it is selected under this pricing tab. And then feeds here. So you can also add feeds. So you could say YouTube feed. So when you do YouTube, you can enter your URL. So that means every time you upload new videos, it will be entered to the feed as well. And the same thing for your blog as well. So you can add a blog URL in here. So every time you enter a new blog article, your bot will be fed as well. Fed? Do you say that way? Fed, feed, fed? But you got the idea, right? So as you can see, lots of options in here. Now, then there are also characters. So you could choose one of the characters here that will be represented with your bot on your website. So these characters are all available. And you can also create your own character here by uploading your own image. And then you could select the text in here, and then it's going to create your character. And then I think that's it. No, there's also monetization, but I'm going to show you that a little later. So first, let's check the bot. Now, to do so, we go to home, we go to settings in here, and from here, you can clone your instances. So here you can create a chatbot to add to your website. So when I click this, it's going to give me an embed code that I can add to my website. Now, I'm going to show it to you in an HTML testing service. So I'm going to open this here, and you can see right now that the bot is available on the website here. You can see it at the right side. This has been programmed with my photo. And when I open this, look what happens. So this is the assistant. So I can close this. It's going to say it's not advised to use this clone to get financial medical health. You can click this away. And now what can I do for you today? So the cool thing is you can say, hi, Tim. Oh, hi there. Now look at this. The clone is typing and thinking, and there you go. Hello, how can I assist you today? Now again, you can also use this, you can enable the voice. I'm going to show you that in a second as well. And here's an example how it sounds with the text to speech. So I say, can you let me know your latest review? And then listen to this.
Certainly. One of the latest reviews is for anAI. Here's a brief overview. #anAI overview. anAI is an innovative AI-powered tool designed to automate social media marketing. It helps businesses create, schedule, and post content across various social media platforms for an entire year with just a few clicks.
You get the idea, right? Now, let's say here, and you can see here, this was the character, this is the thing. I've programmed this with my website, so I can ask questions, for example, which video products have you reviewed? Now look at this. The clone is typing and look at the answer. Okay, here it goes. Here are some of the video products I've reviewed. anAI, WaveSend AI, lets you find leads, VidCam Studio, cheap, simple Loom alternative, video cards, the easiest and fastest way to create character videos, Synthesis Video Translate AI, translate any video into another language, VidCraft AI, your interactive video marketing powerhouse, Vid proposals, business proposals with e-signatures. So it comes up with all these video platforms. It's Vid proposals. So it comes up with the answers and it grabs this from my website. As you can see, I've reviewed a lot of video products here. Each of these products offer unique features for video creation, hosting, and marketing. If you need details about a specific product, feel free to ask. So I can also say, for example, here, okay, what is video cards? Here, what is video cards? I'm going to press enter. And then you see that it's going to ask me to fill out my name. So this way you will be able to build your list as well. So I'm going to do my name here, my email, how can we help, blah, blah, and send message. And then it's going to describe what video cards is. It's designed to simplify and accelerate the creation of character videos. Here are some key features. Easy to use, fast creation, customization, diverse applications, benefits, reduces time. So it's cost effective, it's versatile. Basically, it's going to promote this product already through the chat. I mean, they simply ask the question. It's going to add a use case in here, marketing, create promotional videos for products or services, develop educational videos for teaching and training purposes, social media, produce content for social media. That's pretty cool. And look at this now. It's going to pop us this sales thing, site builder, create websites with a single keyword, buy now. And I'm showing you a few of these things to show you the possibilities inside of the software. So you can set the amount of messages before a pop-up with your product shows up, just like the product that you're seeing right here. So you can click this away, but if your website is very niche, you can add something like this. You can add affiliate products, your own products, and you can sell that through the chat automatically, as you can see. So here it gives answers and it grabbed all that information directly from my website. And I think that's pretty cool. The answers are pretty good that it comes up with. And this is just one part. Now, another thing that I want to show you. So this is the chatbot. What I wanted to show you, for example, is Telegram. You can connect other platforms. So this is Telegram, for example. And let me go back here quickly to the settings, because here you can set your integrations. Now look at this. This is Telegram integration. Now you also have Twilio, Stripe, PayPal, and autoresponders. But here you have Slack integration, you have Discord integration, you have WhatsApp integration, and Facebook Messenger integration as well. What that means is when I go to Telegram here, my bot is connected to Telegram. So when I ask the same question in here, or can you recommend? No, let's do something different. So what is anAI? Because I trained the bot about anAI. Now look at this. It's going to answer my question. Boom, there you go. Look at this. So let me zoom in. anAI is an advanced AI platform designed. designed to automate your social media marketing. Here's a brief overview. 365-day content automation plan. Enter your website URL, business description, or audio file, and AI generates comprehensive content plan for an entire year. Multi-platform posting. Supports Facebook, Twitter, Medium, Reddit, LinkedIn, and more. I need to zoom out in order to show more here. Content creation and scheduling. Creates high-quality social media posts. Schedules automatically post content. Adjusts and improves content based on audience response using self-learning AI. So the pricing here, 37 one time, Pro 67, Unlimited 297, and then also here the Fast Pass 247 a year. Free tools like SharkRank for SEO, Video Mess Pro, and more are included when purchasing through specified links. So those are my bonuses that I provided. And look at this. This is Telegram, and I'm using AIDuals right now to act like me on Telegram. I can do the same thing for WhatsApp. I can do the same thing for Messenger. So if you're asking, is this tool different than the other tools that have been launched? Yes, I think each one has its unique features and benefits. And I think the big benefit of this platform is that you can connect it to other platforms to respond like you, to train it to respond like you, to act like you, the tone of voice like you're using. And it's going to use that to type this stuff and to give these answers. And I think that's pretty amazing personally. So you can connect these channels in here. Let me go over the settings here as well. So you can clone your profile in here. This is your profile, so you also have your clone handle. So this is now Tim here. You can copy this URL and you can also open this in a new window here. And look at this, it will open a chat window. So now you have a chat window where you can also chat. So if you do not have this on your website, you also have a chat window here, as you can see. Clone bio here. So this is the headline. This is basically what we configured up front. You can connect your socials here. So you can connect your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, website, YouTube, LinkedIn to connect that. Here you can see I connected my Facebook and put this on your profile. It has no impact on the training. So this is just to connect this to your profile. Then we have these integrations, notifications. So email not responded to by clone. So if there's not responded by a clone, you will get an email. You can enable this so that you get an email. Clone activity summary. You can also get an activity summary report here. You can see the messages, so or configure the message. So, hi, how can I help you today? You can configure that up front. Unknown answer, you can configure that. And here, messages before email capture. So you notice when I showed you the bot, it showed you the email capture form, right? Now you can set that in here. You can say after 2 messages, I want to capture the email address, but you can set this to any amount in here. Also the autoresponder, so you can connect the autoresponder from the list, and that is inside of your integration. So when we go to the integrations part here, you can say basically integrate any autoresponder here by putting your opt-in code in here, and it will extract that code and use that code to add your subscribers to your list. Also response preferences, like we said at the beginning, and privacy in here. So custom warning, it's not advised to use this clone to get financial medical health. That's the part that I showed at the beginning. You can add that at the bottom of your clone when somebody visits your clone for the first time. You can also disable this if you do not like to show that message. But that's basically how you can create these clones yourself. And when you go to the dashboard, to the clones, you can create clones super quickly. Simply click on create clone, go through the process. It's literally 1-2 minutes, and you've created another clone in here that can answer all of your questions. And once you start using your clone, you'll also see on the dashboard here, how many users here, how many messages have been sent, the revenue that you've made through the products, the clone profile, explore audience, upload content. And by the way, I think I haven't showed you that inside of the settings here. Oh no, in the monetization here. I don't know if I showed you that or not, but here you can set up your product. So you can say after how many messages show the paywall. So you could do after 2 messages, I want to say a paywall for $1 or $100 or $500. And you can say, hey, get my coaching or get a $1 trial. And then you can add a button text, or you could do affiliate products or your own products. And this was the product that you just saw here of Site Builder builder, site builder, create websites with a single keyword. So you can create multiple products here. You can say, this is the product, the description. You can choose your image, the button text, and your affiliate link or the link to your product. And then you can say, I want to have this message appear after 3 number of messages, and then your product will appear. And that is how easy you can train your bot. I hope that this gave you a good insight why this product AI Duels is different than the other ones that I've reviewed. And if you have any questions, make sure ask them in the comments below. Also, check out the link below in the description for more information, for pricing, coupons, my extra bonuses if you pick this up through my link. And yeah, I hope it was useful. Please hit that thumbs up, and looking forward to see you in my next video. Talk soon. Cheers.